Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by configuring Resolve so the footage behaves predictably. Set timeline resolution and frame rate to match your equirectangular source, then enable 360/VR in project settings so tools appear. Import clips into the media pool and organize with smart bins by resolution or codec. This speeds editing. Once done, create a timeline from selected clips to preserve settings, and make sure to set playback proxy or optimized media if your machine struggles with full resolution 360. Now you assemble the story. Perform cuts and trims while monitoring in the 360 viewer so spatial continuity stays correct. Apply the 360 specific OpenFX tools, use the reframe node to create traditional framing from spherical footage, and run the 360 stabilizer to remove jitter. This preserves spherical geometry. If stitching seams or colors vary, apply lens correction and color match before heavy grading. Once handled, use Fusion in spherical mode for titles and tracked graphics so overlays stay anchored on the sphere. Finish by color grading with a wide gamut workflow for consistent luminance across the sphere, and apply LUTs carefully because extreme pushes reveal seams. When exporting, choose H, 264 or H, 265, and enable 360 metadata so platforms recognize equirectangular output. Select stereoscopic settings only for true VR left/right files. If playback shows artifacts or stitch seams, rebuild optimized media, restitch in source software, or update GPU drivers. This usually results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.